Hey guys, it's Brennan with Tech Intelligence Training. I'm going to show you a video on how to do a cool little tool called Sherlock. It's the Sherlock project. I'll send you, or I'll put the GitHub link to the repository in the comments section. But I will be showing you how to do this on a Kali Linux machine. I will be doing a tutorial this week, Friday at 1 p.m. Pacific, on how to surf the web anonymously with a similar tool to Kali, but I will show you how to clone this repository and how to use it and what it is. So let's dive into that right now. Is this GitHub repository for the Sherlock project? This is a tool that whoever developed this was awesome. This is basically a way to hunt down social media accounts by username across social networks that you will find that people have usernames. Sometimes they're email addresses, sometimes people have a username associated with their accounts that you can find. But this is part of an overall overarching thing that is something that cyber red team people use to do what's called open source intelligence gathering on. So we're going to dive in here and show you how to install this and how to run it. And I will go to my Kali Linux machine here. I have booted my VM, and I just installed this earlier today actually because I needed a fresh install. What's cool about virtual machines is you don't really have to worry about screwing them up. They're very flexible. You can spin one up really quick if you have enough space, and you can delete it and you can start a new one fresh and new, and you can use a fresh installation disk to do it, or you can find them online. This one I got from the kali.org site. So what I'm going to do here, and what you'll do just like any other GitHub repo, is go to the installation instructions, and you're going to run what it tells you to run, and it's going to ask me to do git clone and the URL to the GitHub repository. I'm doing this the long way. I'm sure you could find a quicker way and that's fine as well. So it's going to download this repo to the VM machine, and it says the next step is to change the working directory to Sherlock. So we're going to cd or change directory to Sherlock, and it says install the requirements. So I'm going to run python 3-m pip install -r requirements.txt. So it's going to download all the required tools that you need for this package, and you are going to be able to run it. This shows you how to essentially run the help command for this, but essentially you're going to run this tool by typing python 3 Sherlock and then whatever you're looking for. The next argument you can put in is the username. So you can search for one or more usernames to check social networks, and it'll actually go and run against a whole bunch of other here's the list of social accounts it will give you. It's gonna check all these social media sites for usernames, and I'm gonna use one of mine for my personal account, and I will be confident knowing that it is out there, this username. It's been used before. I don't have this username associated with any of my other accounts at the moment, but I just wanted to kind of demo this for you and show you what it does. And when it checks on it and runs, it's going to run it. I ran this on my Mac earlier and it didn't take too long. It took about not even a minute. And when this is done, I will come right back on and show you the results. And it looks like, looks like my username is still being used on some accounts. Whoops. Oops, that's my bad. So if you want to go, if you out the results, you do an ls and then you're gonna see the as you can see right here, it is the username.text, so it creates that text file. You want to go into that and list out, you can do a cat and then the name of the text file and press enter, and you're going to see the results. So it's going to put the URL to the sites, and you're going to be able to do a search on those. And yeah, you can find out a whole bunch of other stuff by doing a Python 3 Sherlock, and then I think it's dash dash help, and there's a whole bunch of other ways to look up information with this tool. It is such a useful tool for doing OSINT investigations. If you find a username for an account and you want to find other sites, this is a really great tool in showing you what other accounts this username has on some other sites, which could help you in your OSINT investigation, or it can show you how to find if another person is using that username on another site. And this is just a really great example of how you could use OSINT tools such as these to do investigations to find out more about a person or a persona. So like I said, this tutorial I'm doing on Friday is on the 21st, is at 1 p.m. Pacific. I'm pretty sure I'll be recording it, and I'm going to show you how to do surfing the web anonymously by using VPNs, proxy chains, Tor, and for configuring your browser to pretty much get to the bottom of how to surf the web anonymously by making sure that your IP address isn't exposed to Google, Bing, big search engines, things like that. I hope you can make it. Please let me know by contacting me. You can call me, contact me through my techintelligencetraining@gmail.com address. Like and subscribe to my channel and comment on this video. Let me know if there's any other tools you use like Sherlock. I'd appreciate that. And you can always join the community on Facebook that I have. It's called Intelligence Tech Gurus, and I'll put a link to the group. There's a ton of free training on there, lots of other videos showing you a lot of other awesome security tools that we use in the cyber intelligence community. I'm Brendan again, and thanks for watching. Have a great night or day or morning wherever you are. Thanks for watching.